today we are here at Atman Academy, and I have with me the three pillars of Atman. Let me introduce. She is Preeti Rane. She is the head of remediation. She is Manjushri Patil.
Hi.
She is the director founder, and she is Shilpa Vaidya, curriculum head. Okay. Ma'am, can you tell me why Atman? What was the need of Atman according to you?
Well, actually, we've all been working in mainstream schools, in various capacities, and we've seen a lot of difficulties that children with learning disabilities have been facing, all kinds of challenges that children learning difficulties, learning disabilities. So, as we went along the journey, we realized that we needed to be the change that we wanted to see, and children needed a space that they could be themselves, and their worth and their value would not be decided by their report card. So we together came up with the idea of Atman Academy, a specialized instruction school. So we don't call it a special school as much as it's a school that uses various other approaches to class transactions.
So
Just
how
like a regular
is
school.
Atman different from others?
Atman is different from others in terms of the class transactions and just the approach. So the entire approach in Atman is experiential. So we do not follow any talking talk method where the teacher enters the classroom, opens the textbook, lesson number so and so, page number so and so, and that's about it. What we in Atman do here is we are following the SSC board syllabus. But we came together, the whole team came together. We sat and we figured out what are the common themes throughout all the subjects. So right from English, history, geography, sciences, what are the common things? And we came up with our own themes. And in fact, our kids came up with the themes. So our kids are the ones who decide what they want to learn, and it is not we who steer their learning. So the learners actually steer, and we are co-learners with them in this whole transaction. And it is a transaction, so it is not that the teacher enters the classroom and says, I have done my job, I have taught, and she doesn't care for whether the learning has happened. So here we ensure that learning happens, and the learning is also visible through their experiences. And so at the end of their classes also, there are times when they reflect about what I loved the most, what I did not understand more, and so then the teacher again works on the things which the child has not been able to understand, and redoes it through some other experience, and ensures that each child in the classroom learns. So there are different approaches. So there is something which we call as a VAKT approach. So there are some children who are visual learners, some are auditory, some are kinesthetic, some are tactile. So we use all the different experiences. So sometimes we show them a video, sometimes there is a game which children play, sometimes they listen to an audio and learn. So that's how Atman is different in terms of the class transaction. The whole experiential learning approach is what we do.
And what actually is now also a USP alongside of this, because this is like the mainstay of the activity here. Why Atman? If I come back to your earlier question, that's what we wanted to change. We wanted to primarily change the classroom styles of transactions. What we also understood was a primary need of children with learning disabilities or any kind of learning difficulties and challenges was the remediation. So alongside of the transaction, what runs parallelly is the remediation program.
Exactly. Now I was actually coming to that point. How do you nurture them, or how do you, being the head of remediation, how do you go about? What is your focus area towards this?
When I work with kids, I basically work with the skills which they need for their curriculum. So, as they have difficulties in reading, writing, spelling, maths and more, so what are the basic skills needed for that? We work on that. I and my team, my friend, we all work and basically hone those skills so that it supports the curriculum. Because it's not about, curriculum is just about giving the lesson, but what they basically need is what are the concepts, what are the listening skills, the speaking skills, the attention, memory. This is where I work on. So like the finest details which are needed, and which is the most important thing, which they also face difficulties in, which is their base difficulties, we like blend both of them and support the curriculum. Also what we do is, I and my friend, we both as a team, we sit together with all the teachers, we understand what they need, and then we correlate it, mix it, and that's how we make this entire process smooth, so that the children are benefited in the larger cause. That's how we do.
So what
School, attention! School song begins.
Yesterday I told you all the rules of writing the exam. Let me complete the whole address. You will not say anything. Let me complete the address.
But why you wonder why 4 is coming twice and 8 is coming twice in a rectangle? Which property of a rectangle do you relate to that?
are not on muscular energy. Energy cycle is, if suppose I am the seed, then I am the seed, then it grows into a plant. So I am pushing my energy from the seed, it goes to the plant. What happens? He sends the energy to you. You will eat that apple. Now you send energy. You get
क्या था वो? क्या है? टोकरी। टोकरी लिखा है हमने? Very good.
कितना हो गया? और कितनी बार रिपीट करना है संचित? तो कितनी बार किया है आपने?
1 2 3 4 5
वेरी गुड.
Okay, there are two objects which begin with the letter A. Can anybody tell me? Okay, Anish, which are the two objects? Anish, there are two objects which begin with the letter A. Aeroplane. Was there an aeroplane?
Apple.
Okay. Apple. Jivan, you okay with this?
Basically a combination of Buddhist philosophy, quantum physics and Indian psychology. So we are using different art forms. That is, one is visual arts where there is painting, then there is music which is the djembe, and drama for expressions. We use it as a therapy, so it's a long-term thing. So these
last year, there were a lot of they were very disturbed lot. They could never sit in one place. They could not concentrate at all on any one particular issue more than a minute. The change I see in them is today they can sit in one place without disturbing each other and themselves. They can concentrate on one subject for an entire half an hour.
My body is fine. I thank you, God. I feel so good. Cause every little cell in my body is fine. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is fine. I thank you, God. I feel so good. Cause every little cell in my body is fine.
Dear God, today we had a wonderful day. There was the ABD session. We have enjoyed a lot in that session.
We started in 2010 from 3 students, and now as of date we have 42 students.
Bharat Mata Ki Jai!